Number 6. Number 6 Melaksa. No good. Nakuha ni. Number. Pass to number 4. Number 4. 2 points. Game number 6. Nakuha ni number 4. Number 1, pass to number 1, Robby. Melaksa. 2 points.
Ano ka ba? Kumuha ka dun. Bayaran mo.
Pass to number 81. Nahuli. Nakuha ni number 9. Number 9. Nagpamadali. Number 9. No good. Nakuha ni number 6. Number 6. Number 6 Melaksa. Piasa kay number. Pass to number 18. No good. Nakay number 9. Nakay number 9. Nobody number 81. Pass to number 6. Pass to number 20. 2 points. Number 99. 2 points. Princess ulit ng isa. No good. Nakuha ni number 81. Nakuha ni number 20. Traveling violation. Pass to number 4. Pass to number 20. Moving leader. 2 points. Number 99. Pass to number 6. Number 6. Number 6. Pass to number 99. Pass to number 6 left. Movement left. No good. Pass back. Para kay number 9. Number 9. Killing the ball. 2 points. 9 number 18. Pass to number 81. Moving leader. 2 points. Now one in number 4. Number 4. Foul. Foul number 6. Timeout. Okami. Low. Now number 9. Now we need number. Pass to number 6. Pass to number 20. Outside by Dayton. Pass to number 16. Number 16. No good. Pass to number 3. Number 2 pulled up. No good. Now one in number 2. No good again. Now one in number 4. Outside number 3. Pass to number 2. Number 2. No good. Now one in number 2 there. Number 3. Umiko. Piasa number 20. 2 points. Number 1. No good. Number 1. Number 9. Number 9. Tumingin pa. 2 points. Score 2 seconds. Naribon ni number 20. Number 20. Bringing in number 1. Bringing in number 20. Number 20. Melaksa. 2 points. Pass to number 3. Number 2. Step up. No good. Nakuha ni number 20. Pass to number 1. Number 1, pass to number 4. Number 4, woo! Foul! Basket tayo dyan. Foul number 6.
Second third.
Nakaya number 1. Number 1, simula. Number 3 points. All done, 2 minutes exactly. Pass to number 4. Number 4. Pass to number 9. Number 9. Number 9. Nakuha ni. Number 2.
Offensive.
Offensive foul.
Ha? Hindi ko lang.
Pass to number 16. Nahuli ni number 2. Number 2, itong kapatid, hingin number 20, foul! Foul number 9, substitution.
First.
Number 9, Melaksa, foul! Foul number 1, number 1, 3. No good, nakuha ni. Foul. Number 20.
30 seconds.
Third personal foul, second team foul. Pass to number 1, pass to number 9. 15. Now winning number 3. Number 3. Ayun, outside violation.
Boss, ano fix, boss?
Number 8. Now Robin, number 1. 10 shoot. Now number 9, pass to number. 50 seconds. Long warning. Outside. Now number 9. 15 shoot. Now number 9. Pass to number 1. Robin to move on 3.
Diba hindi? Ito ko.
Ano?